Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, another market update. I hope everybody had a good day. And let's just get straight into it because I got somewhere to be and I'm kind of busy tonight. So let's take a look at SPY. I told you guys last video after PAL, I was bullish. I thought we would get follow through and that's exactly what happened. You see got a little bit of selling here, a little bit of chop. And that's mainly because of Apple, and we'll go into that. But even with Apple selling off, you held above 520, 521, and it's looking pretty good. FedEx reported earnings after hours. A couple companies did, and FedEx did really well, it looks like. So we should be getting, and there's just buy pressure there. You can't even the most bearish people can't deny that. Look, pre-market, 522 you held. You're bouncing off critical levels, basically, all-time highs again. And yeah, there's just more buyers and sellers in the market. So I mentioned Apple yesterday in my video. Actually, hold on. Let's take so Apple. I told you guys yesterday, past couple videos, I was looking at Apple for a trade and the setup was looking great. We were up yesterday, it was leading the market. And then that news came in about the DOJ getting sued. And I told you guys I was going to try to exit this morning. Luckily, they didn't get hammered really until market opened. They gave bulls an exit and I took it. I got out of this with barely any profit. I was up like $80. Yesterday at one point, $90 on it, and I had to settle for like $16. But I'm just glad we got out, because yeah, this thing got absolutely crushed. But even with that getting crushed, SPY held up. So yeah, market's looking good. Let's go to our next game. One of our trades, NVDA. NVIDIA is still looking bullish. You held up over 900. Like I said, you need to hold that. You need to get above 920, 925, and you see we made some wicks above there. That is the level that we're fighting for. So. We weren't able to print an hourly candle above it, but I think you're coming up on it pretty soon. I don't really know when, obviously, but I'm long on this and I have my positions in SMH still, guys. So yeah, still looking good there. Not financial advice. Let's take a look at now our final play. And one that I'm loving is Robinhood, guys. Robinhood, another amazing day. Yearly high again, printed another yearly high. 1930, and you held up really well as crypto started to dump, and that's beautiful. Coinbase actually was very volatile today with crypto, took some candles down, and Robinhood just held up beautifully, so that's great to see, and I'm still bullish on that. Somebody wanted me to take a look at Tesla, so let's take a look at Tesla real quick. And Tesla, guys, I am bullish long term. I've been buying in my IRA for the past couple months. I'm going to continue to DCA into it because I'm bullish long term. Yeah, but right now it's just, there's no denying it's not doing well. Obviously, it's not the strongest name. And I understand the want to look for a bounce because, it's obviously it's a huge stock, it's a huge company everyone knows. And it's ripped in the past, and like it definitely has good days ahead of it, but when is that, right? When is that going to happen? Is it worth going after that in a market where you have stocks hitting all-time highs every day? It isn't, in my opinion. So that's why I'm not really trading Tesla right now, and I'm just buying in my IRA. You buy these stocks long-term when they're getting beat down, and then we trade the breakouts on the strong names. That's what I do, guys. That's how I'd like to trade and invest. So for this thing to be bullish for a short-term move, you're going to need to print some candles over 180. And you see yesterday it tried to get above there and you weren't even able to get above 179. So not that great looking. If you are able to print some hourly candles over 180, you kind of have a small gap to fill up to like 190, 195. So you could get a little trade there. So yeah, that's the levels that you need to really be looking out for on Tesla. Print some candles, maybe a daily candle over 180, and then I'd be maybe looking to go long on that up to like 190 to like 195. And yeah, guys. Actually, and I got one more name for you. I mentioned this. I'm a Uber bull, guys. Long term, I'm super bullish on Uber. This is like one of my favorite long-term holds, and I think they're just severely undervalued. So I mentioned a few days back, one of my other videos, that I did make a trade on their earnings, and I've been trading this thing up for every next leg up for like since October, and I haven't touched it in like a month because it's just been consolidating at the high, as you can see. since earnings, but yeah, it's getting ready to break out in my opinion again, guys. So you're basically at the high, a month of consolidation, premium has come down, and I'm probably going to be looking to enter this tomorrow. If it can print in daily, if it can print an hourly above $81 and like show some strength, get some buying pressure tomorrow, I'm probably going to long this with some like April 19th or like May contracts, like a month or two out, probably $85 strikes, because I think this thing makes a run towards like $100. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. A couple more plays than normal, and I said I wanted to make this shorter, but it wound up not being so short. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I appreciate all the support, guys. Hope you found value. If you enjoy content like this, consider leaving a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading. Peace.